If your mouth is made to amaze, let Philips Sonicare give its care a raise. If your teeth chew beyond their limit, then they've earned 62,000 movements a minute. If your mouth's used to a manual clean, treat it to microbubbles that feel great in between. If your amazing mouth does more than its share, give it Philips Sonicare. Next level clean, next level care. There's always a way to make life better. Philips Sonicare.
Brushing alone is not enough. Even if you use a high-end electric toothbrush, you still need to floss. Waterpik Complete Care puts you in control by combining water flossing and electric toothbrush technologies, providing all your brushing and flossing needs in one convenient, easy-to-use, and clinically proven device. In recent clinical studies, Waterpik Complete Care was up to 50% more effective for improving gum health versus string floss, and removed up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. Waterpik Complete Care is available in several different models and colors. Each features an assortment of flossing tips, 90 seconds of water capacity, 10 water pressure settings, and requires only one outlet. The difference between the models is the toothbrush. Choose Complete Care 5.0 for the triple sonic toothbrush, which features 3 modes: clean, whiten, and massage. Or choose Complete Care 5.5 if you prefer the rotating action of the triple clean oscillating toothbrush, which features 2 speeds and a massage mode. Both toothbrushes feature 2-minute timer and a pacer that pauses briefly every 30 seconds to signal when to move to the next area of your mouth. They also include multiple brush heads, a premium travel case, and a rechargeable battery, which automatically charges when stored in the convenient inductive charging base. A recharge indicator light lets you know the battery level at a glance. So why just brush when you can have Complete Care? All your brushing and flossing needs in one convenient and space-saving device. For more information, visit waterpik.com.
Discover position detection technology. The app will guide you with simple indications. Each of the 6 segments is related to a region in your mouth. You will see where you have brushed. Simply adjust your brushing routine till all blue areas are gone, so you know you never miss a zone. It's genius. It's Oral-B.